Do you want to make your car stand out and be unique? At MyAirbags, we offer custom color seatbelts to give your vehicle that special touch. With over 75 different colors and styles to choose from, you can find the perfect match for your car's interior. We have colors for everyone. Do you like bright and bold? We have yellow, blue, red. Do you prefer something simple and classy? We have black, gray, and many more. You have so many choices. Custom color seatbelts not only make your car look amazing, but they also add a personal touch that reflects your style. Imagine turning heads every time you open your car door. At MyAirbags, our skilled technicians will professionally replace your seatbelt webbing, ensuring they meet all safety standards. Choosing MyAirbags is a smart choice. We make it easy to customize your car and stand out from the crowd. Plus, our process is simple. Just remove your original seatbelts, send them to us, and we'll handle the rest. You'll have your new custom seatbelts back in no time. Removing your seatbelts is easier than you might think, and we provide clear instructions to guide you through the process. Once we receive your seatbelts, our team will get to work ensuring a quick turnaround so you can enjoy your new look as soon as possible. MyAirbags, making your car unique and stylish. Start your order or call us today.